Okay, so let's you play that.
Power, energy, frequency, and power. So these are the parameters, and then I'm reading something data. In fact,
So
as we
same,
did
right?
right now.
We are at
So
the
let's see.
same.
I just show you. I just add some 10 rows here. So you can see the data will be continuously updated into this. Okay, so now we got a new data. So if I wait for
So
some more
we
time,
have
so then
8,000,
let's have one more row. So like this, the data is
8760.
continuously updated. So this is K33. So like this, we have different sheets. So sometimes there are gaps in data. It's okay. We can see how to deal with it. So how do we do this? So first thing, in order to access data from a sheet, we need a Google Service account. Okay, so that is what I will try to create right now. Because we need programmatic access, we need the
Okay.
record
Google
access
service
features. So
account
we
we
need
have to
the
create.
service. So for that, so Google developer console. So what you do, you
Okay.
you
Google
search for
developer console.
Google, open Google developers console. So once you go to the developers console, a screen opens like this. So already here we can see a project 7158, something like this. So if you don't have any project, nothing will come. But if you already have some project, then the project will become. I want to create a fresh project. How to create a fresh project?
Okay. So going to Google developer.
So let's see. So open the project and then
Okay, so, my first project.
I have other projects anyway. So I will create a new project.
there is
So
a new project tab here. So click on the new
okay.
project. So I'm creating a new project. So by default, let me just magnify it. So by default, some kind of random number comes like this.
Okay.
So
It
my
came.
project 5325 something like that. So you can just leave it as it is, or you can give some name. Okay. So what I will do in order to simplify the naming process, so I go for random.org or something like a website. You go to random.org website and then just
So
do
let's
random
call
number,
it
then just
Project
choose something like
NLC.
that. So members, I was thinking if I can generate
This you
just
can
name here.
forward.
So here it's make it migrate. So our project name is 7UH35. So what kind of APIs are required? So we need first
So
after creating the project, we have our project name is 7UH3.
so Project NLC create. Create. Okay. Select project. Enable APIs. Should I do no play it?
35 zip codes. Okay, so creation of project is the first step. After creating the project, we have go for enable APIs and
Enable
services.
application
So what kind of
services.
APIs are required? So we need Google Drive,
Google Drive.
Google Drive API, select it, and then enable. Now,
Google
one more
Sheets
API
API.
required. That is Google Sheets API. So first I am enabling this. Okay. So then let's create one more. Again, I'm selecting the project. We have to go back here. So here again, I'm selecting Google Sheets. Because we are working with Google Sheets, so Google Sheets API we are creating. So these two steps, I mean, the first step
Okay,
was
just pause a
create.
bit. So uh,
Again, we have to select project NLC.
enable
Enable.
this one. Enable APIs and services sheets. Enable. Okay, so we have done this. So
Creating a project and then enabling these two APIs. So now, after enabling these two APIs, then you have to create credentials. So let's do that. Let's go to this project.
project NLC.
Since even I'm working on this since recently, so even navigation is kind of new for me. So I want
Should I slow down the video, sir?
No, no, it's okay.
so kind of trying to see. Okay, APIs and services, there is a credentials. So you can create credentials. So something like this, you will get the screen. Go for create credentials. Right now, there are no API queries, no word clients, and no service accounts. So these three types of credentials are there. So
Nothing
right now,
is
we will
there.
go with the
Okay.
service account. So service account I want to create. So I can
Okay.
simply say manage service account, and then I'm
Manage
looking for
service
some
accounts.
screen where I can go for creating. So creating a service account. So under the project now I'm creating service account. So here it's asking for name.
So now, create service.
Oh, okay. Create
Okay, so
name.
name again some random name I'll give.
Some
So
random.
Okay.
some random name thank you. Yes, great. So
Service
you copy one random string and then give it here as the name of the service account. And some ID
account
given here. So
NLC.
description is optional. Go for create and continue. Then select
Description
the role.
not required. Create
So
and
we need
continue.
so that you can do it everything. And that's it. Done. So
Select the
Role
road.
will be owner.
then select the role. So maybe owner. So then you can
Owner.
do everything there. And that's it. Done. So now a service account will be created. So here you can see the service account is created. And the service account will have email ID also. So next to this service account, you have
Okay.
to manage keys. That means you have to create the JSON object. So the key. I
Key ID, no
see
key.
here.
Manage keys.
Manage
This,
keys.
this is my service account. Okay. So next to this service account, you have to manage keys. That means you have to create
Done.
the JSON object. So the key.
Add key.
See here. This is my service account. Okay. So for the service account, I'm going for keys and creating a key. So creating a new key. Now JSON and create also select JSON here and that's a create. So by now this is only one time process. So then it shows you a file. So in the desktop, I'm going for a new folder. So I'll say read dash sheet.
Projects.
NLC folder.
We created, right? NLC. Calc NLC.
Calculate.
So here,
Read
okay,
sheet.
project
So I'm just
NLC JSON.
creating it. I'm downloading the file to that folder. So then that's it. So your service account is created and your this JSON object is also created. Now one final step is there. So what you do? So again you go to these details of your service account. See here you can see the email ID of the service account. So take this
Okay.
email ID.
Details.
Oh, sorry. Details.
Copy it. Then
Email ID.
Yeah.
email ID copy. Go to your data logger sheet and then go for share button and share your this paste the email
Share.
ID of the service account. We need not modify. Simply say share. So this is another step. So share anyway. So these are the things. So now if I go to this share settings, so here you can see this ID 3V
Done.
like that it is added as a shared thing. So what I have done in this second video
So
is
this for this data for NLC, we have done all this.
created a project. The project is 7 USD. Another project we enabled the APIs and after enabling the APIs we created a service account. After creating a service account we downloaded the JSON file. So this is what it is. And then we
So this
added
name
the
I
email
will
ID of the
change.
service account and sharing it. So this all is the thing that I will be doing in the second video. So next step we'll be going into coding. So
Step is
So this one I can delete. Authorize creds. Okay, that will be done. Then sheet equal to client dot open. Okay, the sheet I have to give data for NLC. That was the name we have given, right, to the sheet. Data for NLC. Then come back here for M in range. Okay, because the sheets were there, so this for loop is not required. We have only one sheet. What is the sheet? In our case, sorry, here I will see sheet one itself. Okay, so sheet one. Then pandas dot data frame get all records.
all records we don't require.
Anyway, since it is there, we will be lazy and we will get all the records, and then we will run the for loop here to do that. Okay, so now CD desktop, CD projects, CD calc. So now Python abc.py. So here, okay. So I think I have to install all these things. Pip install OAuth to client. Requires Python greater than, but
Sir, I
running
think you
Python
can
2.7.
do P3.
Then I have to. Then I might have already installed them.
Yeah. It will come
So then I have
required.
to run Python 3 then.
It is downloading. That means first one is
Python 3. It looks like it is working.
So you can read all the records in that file.
Yeah. Even before reading. So sheet instance. So here, I think it is getting stuck at the first itself,
How will you know if it's connecting to that sheet or not?
like this. You have to do what you call this debugging, but anyway, this is my easy way of doing it. I'm getting doubt even that importing itself is a problem. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh,
Oh,
it is not opening the sheet. Huh? Client dot open data for NLC. I think the
some one or two spaces might be there, after name.
okay, working offline. Oh, what happened? Offline it is saying. Is it connectivity problem? 1937, 1940. Okay. I think. Okay. I think briefly I got disconnected.
I think that's still disconnected.
Failed to establish connection. I think the problem with the connection only. So now let us see. Still disconnected.
Yeah, I think.
Okay. So this I can't do anything. I think I just have to wait. So it is saying connected. It will autocorrect by itself. I think. So it is waiting for some time, and because it's not connecting, it is here also. You see 1937.
After 37, I think we got disconnected.
Mm-hmm.
So once you get back, you can see it.
Turn off. Connect.
Yeah. It's connected.
Is it connected still? That this is 37. Maybe next it will. Let's run this and see. Now 4 is also coming. Worksheet is also coming. Interesting. So now all these prints I don't need. Delete, 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 delete. So shall we read all or shall we read one by one?
Seven.
Let's see if it is taking a lot of time. Then so 8759 comma 3 three columns. So we are getting right. Okay, then simply we will work with this data frame now. So simply I'll print for how do we go through each
Each
row
row.
of data frame? I think just the index only. I think I'm doing like this for row in data frame print row. So the first row has come, but the for loop is not running. Okay, okay. I think two vectors will come. Uh, what was our MCX right? First date time total power. Okay. So IITH load equal to df dot this one,
The column name.
the column name.
To the column.
Then MCX or IEX MCP.
EX.
So these two for I comma V in enumerate ITH underscore load. So I comma L or load. I'll just take 0 to 30. Print I comma load comma IEX underscore MCP of I.
Column sensor.
First 30 rows I want to print. So it is working. So now I got this data. So now get NLC. So inputs will be this one. What is that?
Load and
So load and that's it. These two only are
these
needed,
two. Yeah. Because trading
and the
time will
other will
be
be 1 hour
1
only.
hour.
Trading time will be 1 hour.
Yes.
Okay, we'll write as if trading time we are hard coding here. Now, if here I'll give a dummy function.
Yeah.
So time L and
Right.
P. So here I'll simply say uh, return simply L plus P plus T. That's it. Now this is a function. Maybe I have to write it above. I don't know. I'll keep it here.
And you can write
So now
all your function.
we are anyway calling the function.
Yeah.
It looks like it is working. Function is not defined. First we have to define the function, I think. So now it is adding and giving like this. Okay, so next what we have to do is we have to write it back to the sheet.
Yes.
So sheet instance we have. If from this I have to write NLC, I have to write to the sheet. Okay, so
Column we have to. Each column we have to.
yeah, so D2 onwards we have to start writing.
So maybe we can name the column bullshit.
We can name it here, but when we name it, it will get the data. But anyway, the data we are anyway ignoring. You can write NLC, you can write here. It might read that column with empty data, but anyway, so it will, you can calculate and update. So now, how to write this? So for writing, what we have to do? So I think this is not the. So we are using this what you call G spread, right?
Yes.
Okay. So with G spread, how to write data? G spread, write data to Google Sheet. Read and write Google Sheets with 5 lines of Python code.
G-thread is just for establishing the connection.
So but then the how to write there will be get worksheet, get all records, get all values, add delete worksheets. We don't want.
Read, right?
Read write sheet 1 row count, sheet 1 column count, number of columns, number of rows. Sheet 1 dot cell dot value. Access the row 1 column 2 or using notation, cell notation value.
So in our case it will be D2.
Update cell. This is what we have to do. Copy.
But after updating it should move to the next.
Here we have for loop, right? So we are saying sheet itself, sheet instance. Okay, so this is our selected sheet. Update cell. So here D and here plus str of I plus 2. And here the value will be NLC. That's it.
So where I equals 2 it will be
This will start with 0.
0.
So it will start with the second. Okay. Now be ready. It will start showing up in your screen.
Yeah.
It's quite fast. Okay. Oh, at my end, I closed it, I think.
It's coming.
Okay.
30 we got.
Okay. So like this, it's coming, right?
Yes.
So this we have to now attach your function.
Yeah.
So shall we try in this system itself
Yeah,
how to
yeah.
do that?
But before that you have to download that.
Yeah. So
So
let
that
us
will
let us do that. First, what I will do, I'll just stop.